Today's Saturday. I hope it's nice outside. Then I could play and have a picnic and do all sorts of fun things. Oh. Oh, it's raining. Well, I guess I'll have to get ready for a... Wait, what is it? Darn it, I'm gonna have a rainy weekend. Oh, well. I guess I'd better go get dressed. I wonder what I should wear. These all look so nice. But, I need one that will be nice and cozy. Oh, this one will do the trick.
In the echo hall.
Ah, finally. Now what should I do? I know. I can go shopping. Now I'm ready to go. Vroom, vroom. The corner top shop. Shop till you drop. This must be the place. Oh, hello. Welcome to the corner top shop. Oh, thank you. Are you here to buy anything? No, just looking for now. Okay. But when you do want something, just holler. Okay. Wow. I love this place. It's so nice. What should I get? Oh, whoa, these outfits look so nice. I love them. But are they really my style? I'm not really a purple dress type, nor a lemon yellow. Oh, but this top, oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for me. Oh, but how much is it? I might be able to get it if I use up some of my allowance money. Oh, look at all these books. Wow. I wonder which one I should get. Well, there is one that I'm going to get. Oh, wow. A Justin Bieber magazine, Smitten with Kittens, Kit Kittredge, Night Before Christmas. Isn't it a little late for that? Oh, I love the Smitten with Kitten ones, but... Oh, I love this Kit Kittredge one, too. Justin Bieber isn't really something I want. I know what I'll do. I'll get both. Excuse me, do you have any baskets? Like shopping baskets? Oh, yes, right over here. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I'm ready to shop. Okay, let's see. I said I was going to get these books. So, here we go. And I said I was going to get this top. Oh, but I love these shoes. I'll get them too. Oh, but no, I really like this necklace over here. It says number 1, and I, of course, am number 1. Okay, maybe I'll just get them all. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, whoa. You bought a lot. You bought so much that I think you bought out the entire store. Well, if I did, then aren't you happy? Well, we're not getting new shipments for another month. Oh, sorry. We'll go out of business. Really? Can I buy what I want? Yes, very well. I'll check everything out for you. Here's all your bags, miss. Wow, I bought a lot more than I thought I did. Now, how much is this going to be? Let me add it all up. What? How much is it? How much is it? Well, you might want to look at the receipt. That much? Oh, jeez. Yes. Are you sure you want to buy everything? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, then. Then please give me your debit card. Okay. Let me get it. Sorry, just a minute. Oh, jeez. Okay. Here's my debit card. Thank you. Okay. And do you want to keep your receipt? Okay. Okay. Here it is. Okay, I'll take it. And don't forget your card. Oh, yes, of course. I wouldn't. And don't forget your bags either. Oh, no, don't worry. I won't. Let me just gather them up. Wow, I bought a lot. But hey, it's sunny outside. Oh, yay, I'm gonna go play. This was a great way to spend a rainy day. Oh, wait for me, guys. I think I'll go shop at the Top Hat today. Whoa. It seems cleaned out. Excuse me. Yes? Where is everything? Don't ask.